What is up, people? This is Ron Kamble, your sneaker guy. And guys, yes, as I said in the previous video, we are going to unbox a crazy New Balance sneaker. I don't know if the crazy word justifies that sneaker because crazy, beautiful, all that stuffs I know, all that words I know is very small word for that because it is a next level sneaker and I have loved it and I have been a fan of New Balance through that sneaker. So yes, as I said, we are going to unbox a crazy New Balance sneaker today. So yes, let's see how that goes. And before that, please do subscribe this channel as we are very close to 2000 subscribers. So yes, please do subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. Like this video, share this video when you like it, and if you like the sneakers, do let me know in the comments. Let's see how that goes, and I'm very excited to show you guys this sneaker because pure beauty. So let's see the sneakers. So yes, getting into the unboxing, and here is the box, and it is not crispy box as the last box we have seen because that was a perfect box, but this time it is not a type of box, but still it is holding up and I am glad it is holding up, so no problem with that. And before showing you all the shoes, I just want to tell you guys that I bought this sneaker from Ajio and it was only one pair left, and that too in my size, not actually my size, it is like half a size small, but it fits perfect because it's kind of a big sneaker, so anyone need to go half a size down, and it was half a size down when I saw this sneaker, and that was kind of my luck, so I got that sneaker. This is the bill, and here is the sneakers. You can see, I'll show you. So this is New Balance 5740. So as I said, this is New Balance 5740 and it is beautiful. Trust me, when you see this beauties in hand, you will understand, but I don't know how to explain this, but just look at this, and I hope you guys have seen the B-roll few seconds back, and it's a crazy sneaker with different crazy materials on them, and it is comfortable, trust me. And talking about this sneaker, it is kind of a special edition kind of sneaker, but not a special edition, but it is like a special sneaker for New Balance because this is the OG colorway in this model. It was launched on 15th May of this year, and it is a very newer model, and 15th May is known as Grey Day of New Balance because New Balance celebrates Grey Day where they launch their classic New Balance grey sneakers again, like a restock or something like that. And according to New Balance, grey is color which goes for everyone. It's like anyone can wear that color, so that is the reason it is known as Grey Day. So this year they launched this sneaker and it is absolute beauty, and as I said, it is a OG colorway. So this is going anywhere between 15 to 20,000 rupees. So yes, it is an expensive sneaker, but I got it for a steal from Ajio because, as I always say, in India people don't really care about some low-key sneakers, and this is the firest sneaker. I can say one of the firest sneaker in my collection now because this is really powerful, this is really strong, and as I said, I got it for a steal because I got it for 7,000 something rupees. So it's like 50% off, but it was not 50% off, and the retail price on this is 12,000 something. Let me check. It is 12,999 rupees, that is 13,000 rupees. So the retail price on this is 13,000 rupees and it resales somewhere between 15 to 20,000 rupees, and in this size particularly on StockX it goes for 17,900 something like that, that is 18,000 rupees. So yes, it is an expensive sneaker. I got it for a steal. So what can I say? It is beautiful sneaker. I got it for a beautiful price, and some crazy things. And the most exciting part about this sneaker, I'm in love with that thing because I have never seen something like that, and I think you guys have not seen something like that as well. And as you guys know, we have unboxed a mismatched pair. Like you have seen the Sean Weatherspoon A6 Gel Light 3. It is orange and bluish on one side, and the other has the purple and forest green vibe. So it is like dark and day kind of thing. So it is two different colors, and a lot of sneakers comes in that form right now because that is like booming and that is very trendy right now. People like to wear mismatched sneakers, but this has mismatched materials on them. So I'll show you some detailed shot on this. But if you guys can see the toe box, this has the furry suede and this has the soft suede, if you guys can see. And turning to back, this gray part has hairy suede and this has soft suede, and the whole sneaker is like that. Here you can't really see, but this gray part is suede, that is gray suede, and on this side the gray part is leather. So the whole sneaker, as I said, the whole sneaker is like that. So I just love this. And as I showed you in the last sneaker, we have this written here, the intelligent choice. I think New Balance just roast other brands with saying that because it's kind of funny. It's like the savage line. I don't know how to explain that, but it feels like New Balance is roasting other brands. It's like the intelligent choice is this, not the other brands. But when you think about it, it is true because people just run behind crazy sneakers which are not even that great quality or not even that great, but people are ready to pay 50, 60, 70,000 rupees. But this sneaker with this crazy details on them and this beautiful materials and this comfort is going for under retail in India. So it's kind of sad, but it's kind of happy for me because I got this sneaker, so I really can't be mad about it. So I'm very glad I have this sneaker right now. And talking about the different materials on them, it is filled and covered with all different types of material, and there are some materials I don't even know. So let's see how do I describe that. Starting from the toe box, here we have the gray suede. This toe box has Nuberg, and underneath this suede we have this 3M materials. Here if you guys can see, here we have the 3M material on the both sides. Then we have this eyelets made of suede, that is like hairy suede you can say, and it is all different shades of gray. So I just loved it because they have used so many shades of gray. I can't even imagine or tell you guys what gray is that, so I'll just describe them in some of other words I can find. So I hope you understand that because it is very difficult to explain some 5-8 shades of same gray color. So it is very difficult for me to explain that. So I hope you understand and you don't roast me in the comments. So please don't do that. Then we have this New Balance logo here, and it is crazy, and on this sneaker we can see that logo on both the sides, but in the last sneaker it was only on the outer panel here. So it is great to see this on the both sides. This New Balance logo is made out of leather, white leather you can see, and underneath that you can see a 3M material. It reflects light when you show flash on it or light on it. So it reflects light if you guys don't know about 3M material, and it looks dope, and it is a very small subtle detail, but I love it. As you guys know, I like small details on sneakers. Then underneath that we have a gray leather panel here. I don't know how to explain this sneaker because it has so much going on, but at the same time it is so subtle. And coming to the back, we have this gray hairy suede here on the back panel. Then we have this soft suede here. Then we have this gray plasticky or rubbery tab. I guess it's plastic for the heel support, I guess. And then coming to the midsole, this midsole is so chunky, you guys can see this, but it is not that the sole is here, the sole is right here on this line you can see, but this is just to give you support on the side of your heel or something like that. But it looks crazy, it has that crazy wavy shape to it, and it looks nice, it looks beautiful. And the most important thing, that is it's in the sail colorway, that is that off-white colorway you can say, and I love that colorway because it makes that sneaker look vintage, and I am a very big fan of that. So I love it, and I don't know how you guys feel about this sneaker, but I just really can't express some sneakers because this sneaker has a lot of things to explain. Because now if I come to this sneaker, it has everything different, because as I said, here we have the suede material, here we have the leather here, and on this panel here we have the leather, here we have the suede. So it is everything opposite, and it's beautiful to me because I like details on them. And to be very frank enough, when I am walking with these sneakers, people won't notice that. People won't come to me and like, oh, there is some different materials, I guess. It won't be like that. But it's like very personal to me and something I will feel while I walk. And I have that feeling that sneakers should make me happy, not others. It's for me, it's my personal choice. But yes, then we have this flat laces here, white flat laces, that is normal laces. And the most important thing I just forgot to say you guys, that the tongue on this sneaker and the tongue on this sneaker, they both are different, but you can't really see that. I guess I'll show you the detailed shot of this because it is of leather. You can see, I don't know how you can see, but I hope you guys can see this. It is of leather, and on this tongue it is of suede, so it is not that thick tongue as well. So it is pretty flexible on the feet, and when I wear this on feet, it looks fire. It is comfortable. It is really comfortable. I don't know why and how, but it is really comfortable. And when you see this outsole, you feel like it is very hard or something like that, but it is not. It is like very spongy here. I can really push this inside here and it feels good. So this is a beautiful sneaker, and you can see here it has that elevated heel kind of thing, so when you walk it gives you kind of support and it won't drag this heel a lot, because a lot of sneakers like Jordan ones, it has this pointy heel and the back heel gets rubbed off. So in this it won't happen. And yes, it is a beautiful sneaker, and as we always do, we are going to see a on feet of this sneaker because I'm very excited to show you guys that. So yes, let's not waste any of the time and let's see the on feet. So I hope you guys liked the on feet because I loved it. It was crazy. I don't know why this sweater is going up, but yes, it was crazy. It was beautiful. I just loved this sneaker, and it is comfortable as I said. And I just wanted to say you guys that you guys have not seen my that video where I show you guys 5 sneakers of New Balance you can buy right now. Guys, please do check that video out because it is like very helpful for you, because New Balance has some crazy materials on them. As you guys saw, it is comfortable. Some sneakers are very lightweight. As I showed you in the previous video, we unboxed the 327s, and it is a beautiful sneaker with crazy colors on them and a very lightweight sneaker. So yes, as I always say, don't run behind the hype. Just see what suits you more better, what suits your budget, what you like, what you don't, and then go for a sneaker. Just don't get a sneaker because everyone else like, and then you get that sneaker and you are like, no man, I can't really wear that sneaker, I'm not that big fan of that sneaker, and blah blah blah. So it's like you're just wasting your money. So please spend your money wisely, and I hope you guys like this video because I loved it. I love this sneaker as well. So I hope you guys like this sneaker. Let me know in the comments, as I said, if you like this sneaker or not. And this is my first gray sneaker, officially a gray sneaker. So I never had a gray sneaker and I was not a really big fan of gray sneakers ever, but this time it made me crazy, so I just got it. And yes, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and one more thing, please subscribe. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.